The dust has long since settled on the Second Temple, but the fire in the people's hearts has gone out. It is roughly 450 BC, and the new temple smell has been replaced by the stench of cynicism. The Book of Malachi isn't a typical sermon. It's a gritty, six-part courtroom debate between a weary God and a defensive nation. I have loved you, God begins. The people shrugged. How? This sets the tone for the entire book. Malachi exposes a ho-hum faith where priests offer blind and lame animals on the altar, sacrifices they wouldn't dare give to their Persian governor. Marriages are being discarded like old clothes, and justice is a forgotten concept. God's response is a challenge. Test me. He dares them to bring the full tithe, promising to swing wide the floodgates of heaven. The book ends on a cliffhanger. God promises a day that will burn like a furnace for the arrogant but rise like the sun of righteousness with healing in its wings for the faithful. He vows to send Elijah the prophet to turn the hearts of fathers to their children before the great and terrible day arrives. With that, the curtain drops, and the heavens go silent for 400 years.
Subscribe.